Hi guys, today we are here to see the unboxing of rechargeable hearing aid from Mimitagara. This is one of the most affordable hearing aid. So let's see what is inside. On the box itself it mentioned rechargeable hearing aid. So let's get inside. As you open the box, you get some documentation, user manual, a 1-year warranty card and the accessories. So first let's see some accessories. So this is a ear tag that is very useful for the elderly people, which protect the hearing aid from falling. Then you have a charging connector from type A to type C to charge your hearing aid. Then you have a charging stand which is used to charge the hearing aid. On the front you have a type C port to connect and a indicator for the charging status. Then you have accessories, which is ear tips. Based on your different ear canal shape, you can select one of them. Cleaning brush to keep your hearing aid hygiene and remove the ear wax. Then you have connecting tubes to connect the hearing aid to your ear canal. Let's keep this aside and see the hearing aid. So the hearing aid, you have power on off button. When you press it for 5 seconds it gets on, and when you keep again press for 5 seconds it goes off. Then you have a volume rocker. On the bottom you are being provided with the charging connector as well as side indicator. So the red means the right side and the blue means the left side. For more details about hearing aid, you can visit us at www.digibionic-india.co.in, or you can call us at 638 2255 145. Thank you.